Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all chat history on the DeepSeek AI application. To delete your chat history on DeepSeek AI, first of all, open up the DeepSeek app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and tap on the two lines. And from the expanded menu, click on the three dots at the bottom. Now, this will open up the settings menu. From here, go ahead and tap on data control. Now click on delete all chats. Click on confirm deletion and you will then be able to delete all of your chat history on DeepSeek AI. That is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more DeepSeek AI contents. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.